In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate team communication into Asana. Asana can be an incredible tool to streamline your team's workflow, and today, we'll dive into a quick and efficient way to integrate your team conversations right into your project management system. First things first, you need to open Asana in your web browser. If you already have a project you want to work on, navigate to it in Asana's interface. You'll want to find a project that will host the communications you intend to migrate. Once there, let's work through the process of integrating those essential communications. Now, within your open Asana project, look for the option labeled Messages in the menu on the left side. This feature allows you to start moving conversations directly into the platform. Once you click on Messages, you'll have the option to draft the message that you want to share with your team. It's much like composing an email or a message in any other app. Write your message precisely, ensuring clarity and comprehensiveness because this will be crucial for keeping everyone on the same page. After typing out your message, it's time to send it. Look for the Send button, typically situated near the text field where you've composed your message. Giving this button a click will deliver your message to your team members within Asana. This ability to house communications right where project tasks live helps centralize and streamline your team's interactions. Next, you'll want to review existing tasks. Go back and click on List in your project view. This gives you a glance at all your tasks in a clear list format, which could make task management simpler and more effective. Scanning through the tasks, find the task that requires communication or an update based on your recent message. Click on that specific task to open its details. Here, your team can contribute by commenting on the task itself. This feature helps ensure that everyone can contribute to discussions pertinent to that task. Look for the comment section within the task page. This is where the conversation happens. If you or a teammate wish to add to the discussion, you can type out a new comment in the provided field. Just like composing your initial message, clarity is key. Once your comment is ready, click on Comment to broadcast it within the task, ensuring everyone involved or notified about the task is up to date with your input. This approach not only opens a channel for seamless communication, but also integrates it with your task management. Migrating communications to Asana is indeed a straightforward process, yet it holds the power to transform how your team operates by keeping all essential talks within arm's reach. And that's it. A quick and easy guide to integrating your team's communication into Asana. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.